good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for today. So firstly, obviously banks will be in focus as we have the RBI policy meet today, and the decision on the interest rate will be starting today at 10 a.m. So the panel is expected largely to keep the repo rates unchanged while maintaining the accommodative stance, but obviously we are going to keep a close eye on what the final decision is, and obviously banks will be in focus. Moving on to Container Corp. Now during the Q2, the total throughput is down by 8.6% on a year-on-year basis for the company, and it stands at only 8,85,673 TEUs, with the EXIM volume which is down by 9.8%, and the domestic is off by 1.6%. So surely we may see some focus over here on Container Corp, and we'll keep a close eye on how it actually performs and trade at 9:15 today. Moving on to LVB Bank. Now they have finally received an indicative non-binding offer for its proposed merger with the Clicks Group. And in June, if you go to see, the bank had signed a preliminary non-binding LOI with the Clicks Capital Services and Clicks Finance India Limited for the proposed merger. So this is finally, they are signing a non-binding offer. So we'll keep a close eye on how this deal actually goes through and what actually comes out of it. Moving on to Vedanta. Now Vedanta has been in focus for the last couple of days as well, especially, today's the last day for tendering the reserve book building. So that's surely going to keep a very, the stock a bit, maybe could we see some volatility, and it has also entered an F&O ban again. So far they have received 73.8 crore shares for versus the total what they need of 134 crore for their delisting process. So surely we're going to keep an eye out on how Vedanta actually, what is the last bid and how it actually performs in trade today. Lastly, Solar Industries and GOCL, both of these are in focus as they have received orders for supply of explosives and initiating system for explosives to the Telangana government. Now Solar Industry has received an order for 447 crore, while GOCL has received an order for 187 crores. For Solar Industries, this is the second consecutive order this month that they have received, so that is a very interesting thing. The previous order was also on 1st October for around 400 crores, now again 447 crores. So very interesting, how the business is actually panning out for Solar Industries, and both these stocks will be in focus today. So overall, we're going to keep an eye out on the market, especially with the MPC meeting, the banks, and overall these other stocks on the back of their news flow, especially delisting coming out for Vedanta, what is the final reserve book building process last thing. So that is all these stocks that we're going to keep an eye out on today.